Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about using the Image Collection Explorer in ArcGIS Online. Now, a recent enhancement to the ArcGIS Online map viewer is what I believe another indication of the changing ways that GIS users are able to access data. As my colleagues and I are describing right here in this blog, one challenge with imagery is that it often contains many input images that are mosaicked or stacked together. Many satellite-based imagery layers in the ArcGIS Living Atlas of the World, for example, contain multiple time periods to allow analysts to visualize the study area and measure change through land cover classification changes. These imagery layers span large areas spatially and may even cover many different time periods. All of this can be challenging for data users to search for and select imagery with specific spectral bands, cloud cover, areas of the world, time periods, and meeting other criteria. If the data is available from ArcGIS Online and the Living Atlas of the World, which I have extensively reviewed in numerous videos and blog posts for at least 10 years, and if that data was created by ArcGIS Image Server or a dynamic imagery layer, there is now an application called the Image Collection Explorer right within ArcGIS Online. The Explorer can review input images within an imagery layer to locate the appropriate input image for the user, with filtering and sorting options, as you can see here. For example, land cover data from the National Land Cover Dataset, Landsat, Sentinel-2, or other raster and image collections. Metadata about the individual images can be accessed by selecting individual images and viewing the image details, as you can see here also. Each of these imagery layers maintain an attribute table that references the input images, and the app uses the information in those attribute tables to filter, sort, and provide image details for each input image. This is quite a leap forward, folks. Unlike long-standing past workflows where the data user searches for data in ArcGIS and other online libraries, and then brings them into a GIS, as you've probably done numerous times in your own past, this Image Collection Explorer eliminates that whole searching for data before the GIS software is accessed step. Again, a big leap forward. In the Settings toolbar in ArcGIS Online, you will need to click on the Image Collection Explorer on the right-hand side to see available input images. Then you will be able to sort the available input images, as I'm doing here, and alter the way they appear in the list to find the desired input image. I recently used this capability when searching for Sentinel-2 data for Hawaii for specific dates. I was quite pleased with the speed of being able to locate and obtain exactly what I needed and the ease of use of the interface. I saved much time over the procedures I was using even as recently as 6 months ago. And to recap on this, the dynamic imagery layers that have the item type attribute collection or image collection are what is available with these tools. You can find that attribute in the Contents page or the Item Details page in ArcGIS Online. You can also search, as I have done here in this demonstration. As you can see, I'm looking for Landsat 8, 9. I can also browse layers here, go to My Content, go back scrolling down to ArcGIS Online, and let's say I want to look for something else. How about Sentinel-2? I can look for Sentinel-2 views and add those. And again, with that Image Collection Explorer, which I absolutely love, you can, let's get rid of this time slider box, you can go to the Image Collection Explorer, and then again, just like you've seen me do here in the past few minutes with other layers, I can select exactly what I need in the area that I want. And if I zoom in, for example, to a certain area, let's say the Great Salt Lake, it only shows me 25. If I zoom in further, it only shows me 5, the ones that actually cover that map image. It's just absolutely fantastic. And then I can select quite easily the dates, the cloud cover, the themes that I want. Wow. So you've seen me in this video with just a few minutes, especially if I hadn't been talking so much, right, folks? Just a few minutes, I can have the exact images I want for Sentinel-2, Landsat, land cover, and lots of other image data sets and raster data sets. It's just an amazing capability. It really does change much of the paradigm that we've known in GIS circles for the last 2 decades, where you've got to go out to a library, search for things, and then bring them into your GIS. Here you're doing it right inside your GIS. It is a great day to be a GIS analyst and someone who cares about looking at change over space and time. Again, with the Image Collection Explorer to locate input imagery and raster data sets. Thanks for being with me, and happy data mining and happy analyzing.